Audio is 50% of the magic in video editing, and sound effects are the sprinkle on top. Let's add them in KineMaster. Follow the guidance. Tap the audio button and browse the SFX tab. KineMaster has tons of options from many like drama, pop, dramatic thunder, pop, just like you like. Pick one sound effect and then add one. Add the one that fits it. Tap the plus button and add to your timeline. Want to adjust? No problem. Change the volume, trim it, fade in, fade out. You can even layer multiple sounds to build your own customized sound space. For extra creativity, add sound effects at key moment in your video. Like whoosh when something important happens or pop when the text appears. With the right sound, you can make your video okay from wow.